In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite additional attendee in Microsoft Outlook meeting. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add someone to an existing meeting and send an updated invite, all from Outlook on the web. Start by opening your web browser and going to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook, then click the official Microsoft Outlook site in the results. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in. Go ahead and do that so you can access your mailbox. Once you're in Outlook, look to the left sidebar and select Calendar. This switches you from your inbox view to your schedule. Find the meeting you want to update on your calendar grid and click it to open its details. You'll see a quick summary card. Choose Edit to open the full meeting editor. If the meeting is part of a series, Outlook may ask whether you want to edit just this occurrence or the entire series. Pick the option that applies to the change you're making. Now you're in the Meeting Edit screen. Click into the Attendee field and start typing the email address of the person you want to add. Outlook will suggest contacts as you type. Select the correct one from the suggestions. If you don't see a match, type the full email address and press Enter to add it. You can place someone in the required line if their attendance is essential, or in optional if they're not mandatory. While you're here, it's a good moment to quickly confirm the meeting date, time, and location are still accurate, especially if the new attendee is in a different time zone. When everything looks good, click Send to distribute the update. Depending on your version of Outlook, you may be asked whether to send updates to everyone or only to added or removed attendees. If you've only added one person and nothing else changed, sending the update just to that new attendee helps minimize unnecessary emails to others. After you send, Outlook will confirm that the update went out. Here's what happens next. The new attendee receives a calendar invitation with options to accept, decline, or mark tentative. Once they respond, you'll see their status reflected in the attendee list, and if they accept, the event will land on their calendar. Existing attendees keep their original invite unless you chose to notify everyone. If you don't see the edit option, it usually means you're not the meeting organizer or don't have permission to make changes. In that case, contact the organizer to request the addition. And that's it. Simple, clear, and fast. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.